Come here, come here. Step in here, come on. Come on, step right here. Step, come on. Here you go, come on. There you go, come on, come on. Come on. He won't move from here. He learned his lesson about the electrical fence. That's what you get, dog, for stealing my boxes. So today we're gonna bring electrical mat for dogs and cats in case you have a pet that you don't want him to actually get on the couch or go a certain area. This is actually pretty good. This is it's not electrical, it's more like a static shock, so it gives them a little jolt that they're gonna learn their lessons not to go through there. So I do have a dog that normally he takes a lot of my Amazon boxes outside. He rips them open and sometimes damages the goods. So I had to get one of these mats, so he has to go through an obstacle course to actually go through this and get the actual boxes. So once he sees this, he doesn't get near it. So let's go ahead and explain to you guys how it works, and I'm going to show you guys a little couple things you need to know before you buy something like this. All right, if you guys notice, it's pretty safe. And then if you guys try, it's just pretty much just a static that gives you a little static. It does have a 9-volt battery, which is located here. Just recommendation is that it pops out a lot, so you got to push it down and make sure it locks in. Let's go into the modes, all right? And there's a couple of things. If it goes on blue, it's beeping mode. If it goes on orange, it's pretty much a static mode, and if it goes into red, it's beep and static. So you get both in one. Beeping will be just the sound. So if he steps, or he or she, or the animal that steps in here will beep, he'll get scared automatically if he learned his lesson. Now the other one, static mode, is if he doesn't understand, he just walks in through it. It doesn't even beep. It just pretty much gives them a static. Now the last mode, it gives them a beep, a warning, and then it actually gives them a static shock. So and then there's different types of volts charges. All right, so there's a minimum all the way to a large one. So right now we're going to turn it on first time. Well, we actually had it already turned on. So right now it's on static mode, and we have static mode. That's pretty much. And if you want to change it, you could change it down here to beeping mode. The blue one is beeping mode, and then static, and then of course beep and static. And then what we want to do is levels. That's the first level, second level, third level, fourth level, and fifth level. So you have all these levels in there. All right, and to hold it down, just power it up and turn it off. It turns off by itself. So something. These are all my Amazon boxes, and we have someone notoriously taking them outside without me opening them. And here's the subject that we're talking about. He constantly takes all my boxes outside, and I'm going to show you some of the demos that he's done. Very notorious of taking all the boxes. So let's take a look. Out of here, out of this hole, he normally takes it outside. If you guys can see, all my boxes are torn up without me opening them. I probably had to replace maybe 2 or 3 items every time I have to do this. And of course, he spreads all the mess over there. So tired of doing that, we got the solution for it. We put our boxes in one location and we put the mat down. That's the only way it works. If he's aware of not to come in here at all, so if you guys can see it, this is a hot fence now. The light shining up. He does not want to cross the lines no more. So ever since I put this fence, boxes stop missing. Things have started getting destroyed. If you can notice, he doesn't like this. He's been here before. He tried a couple of nights. I heard a couple beeps and he gets scared. As soon as he hears the beeps, he just runs away. But so far it's been working. I can't even entice him to get anything because he's like, I want that, but I don't want to cross the line too. So she got scared. That's all.
Yeah, I felt it. It doesn't feel like anything. It doesn't do anything.
I know.